Uber Eats registration process Canada 2024. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can register or sign up on Uber Eats. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Uber website on your laptop or PC. After that, click on sign up to deliver. To sign up, enter the email or phone number you wish to use. Then click on next. A verification code will be sent to the phone number or email address you provided. Once you receive the code, enter it, then click on next. If you already have an Uber account, you will be directed to this same step since Uber Eats is under Uber too. On this page, enter the city from which you wish to earn or your target delivery area. Now choose how you'd like to earn. Since this video is intended for Uber delivery service, choose either delivery by car or delivery by bicycle. Next is to undergo background check. On the fields provided, enter your first name, middle name, last name, driver's license number if you chose delivery by car, state, zip code, date of birth, and social security number. Then click on continue. Now read and understand the disclosure. And if you wish to receive a free copy of your background check report, click on the tick box. Then click on I authorize and agree. Next, enter your vehicle information. This might be a little different with those who sign up to deliver by bicycle. To set up your account, there are required steps you need to do. If you already completed these steps, you just need to wait till the application is approved. So that's how you can register or sign up on Uber Eats. That's all for this video.